7, 8.
Moving the chickens out to pasture.
Yeah!
Y'all ready?
Thank you, though.
It's processing day.
But I just gotta say,
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. I sit back with my brand new invention. Something.
I'm doing it.
Load us up, Andrew.
What is that, a 2 to 3? Yep. That's that. That's that.